So by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how AI trading works, why it's taking over the forex market in 2026, and how complete beginners are using it to generate income without spending years learning how to trade. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. Let me explain. So what is AI trading? Well, AI trading is exactly what it sounds like. You're using artificial intelligence to make trading decisions for you. But there's a huge range on what that actually means. So let me clarify. At the most basic level, you have trading indicators, moving averages, RSI, stuff like that. Those are rule-based, not really AI. Then you have algorithmic trading, which is automated but still follows pre-programmed rules. Think, if price doesn't do X, then do Y. Real AI trading is different. It uses machine learning to analyze thousands of data points simultaneously. That's what you see right behind me. Price action, volume, volatility, correlations between pairs, time of day, liquidity patterns, news, and it makes decisions that adapt over time. It's not just following rules, it's actually learning. Think of it this way. A basic bot is like GPS directions. Turn left, turn right to a fixed route. And AI trading is like having an experienced driver who knows all the shortcuts, reads traffic in real time, and adapts on the fly. And here's why this matters right now. 3 things have changed in the last 2 years that made AI trading accessible to regular people. First, computing power. The AI models that used to cost millions to run can now run on cloud servers for dollars a day. That means the same technology hedge funds use are now available to people like you and me. The second thing is data access. Retail traders now have access to institutional level data. Order flow, depth of market, real-time sentiment analysis, and AI can process all of this simultaneously. You as a human, you're only so limited that you can't. AI can calculate millions of data points before you can even think. And third, this is the biggest one, so listen, the tools got easier. You no longer need to code to use AI trading. You have platforms like Jotex AI, other AI companies that make it so easy that you can just connect the AI to a broker. You just connect it to your preferred broker, set the preferences, and let the AI run. It's 2026 and AI is evolving every other day. Now there's 3 types of AI trading that I think every single one of you should know about. Type 1, we have AI signal service. This is entry level and I would recommend it mainly to beginners. The AI sends you trade signals, for example, buy Euro USD at this price, stop loss here, take profit here, but you still have to place the trades manually. But the AI is still doing the analysis. This is great for learning because you see what the AI sees and you start understanding why it takes certain trades. You can also follow along with these trades and make money if you're using a profitable AI system that has proven data. The second type is semi-automated. The AI sends you signals and it can place trades for you, but you have to approve each one. You get a notification and you type yes or no. This is middle ground for the people who want AI help but aren't fully ready to let it take control of everything. And the third type is fully automated. This is what I use. The AI runs everything, entries, exits, risk management, position sizing, you name it. You literally don't have to do anything except monitor it periodically. Okay, so how do you actually start trading with AI? Well, here's a complete step-by-step for a complete beginner. First things first, you have to understand the basics of forex. You don't need to become an expert, but you should understand what currency pairs are, what pips are, what leverage is, and how a broker actually works. I'll link a beginner video in the description if you need that. Step 2, you need to open a brokerage account. I recommend starting with a demo account first, paper trade with fake money until you're actually comfortable with how everything works. Most traders make the mistake of jumping straight into a live account, and that's how they end up blowing up everything. First, learn the basics, learn the foundation, and then you can start trading with real money. And step 3, choose your AI approach. If you're brand new, I recommend starting off with signals. Follow the trades on your demo account first so you can learn how to actually place trades, and place them with confidence. And then you're gonna want to go into a live account with small capital when you're ready. Don't deposit your whole entire bank account. Just jump straight into this without understanding the basics first. And most importantly, only start with money you can afford to lose. Now, this isn't financial advice, but I'd say start small and scale up as you build trust in the system. Step 5, graduate to automation when you're ready. Once you've seen consistent results with signals, then you can move to semi-automated or fully automated like I am. Now, before I let you go, let me touch up on some myths that are going around in the AI trading industry. First myth is that AI trading is guaranteed money. That is not true at all, and anyone claiming otherwise is straight up lying to you. Any AI system can have losing trades and losing periods. The edge is in the long-term consistency, not in every individual trade. Over a course of 100 trades over the course of a year, the point is that AI is going to be profitable. Well, my AI at least is gonna win more trades than it loses trades, and it's gonna make more money when it wins a trade, and it's gonna lose less money when it loses a trade. And that's just how profitable trading works in general. Myth 2 is that AI trading is only for rich people and hedge funds. Wrong. You can start with as little as $1,000. The AI doesn't care about your account size. It's going to be profitable in the long run. Now, obviously, it takes money to make money, so the more money you put in, the more money you can make. If you're the type of person that can only start with like $100, $1,000, then I would recommend taking the prop firm approach. Use AI to pass your evaluation phase, get funded, and then get payouts. And then you're gonna wanna compound those payouts over time and build up your live account. Now, myth 3 is that you don't need to learn anything. This is somewhat true and somewhat false. You don't need to learn complex technical analysis. You don't need to learn coding, but you should understand a little bit about risk management, position sizing, and basic market concepts so you can make informed decisions about what you're actually doing, especially if you're taking the signals. The signals, they can be profitable, but all it takes is one trade of you over leveraging, over risking to lose everything. So make sure you actually understand a little basics about risk management. Now, the last myth is that all AI bots are the same. And this is a big one. There are a lot of garbage bots out there. Most of them are just basic algorithms, EAs, indicators, marketed as AI. Look for transparency, verified results, verified reviews, real-time results, and a team that actually shows you how it works. That's why I show results all the time on this YouTube channel. I'll link a video right here of the AI working in action. So there you go. That's your complete starter guide on AI trading in 2026. Now, if you want to see AI trading in action, watch my video right here I just talked about. I'll post the link right here. And if you're actually ready to try it yourself, then check out my AI community, Jotex AI, and just start off with the signals. No pressure. And starting now, every week, I'm going to be dropping AI trading results, AI strategies, recaps, and tutorials. So make sure you subscribe if you're new and hit that like button and that bell so you don't miss anything. And drop a comment. Are you guys gonna try AI trading yet? Let me know. I read every single comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.